Hi, this is Vincent with MarineMax Clearwater. Today I'll be showing you the 2018 290 Sun Deck Outboard. This particular Sun Deck Outboard has rear-facing loungers, twin 250 horsepower Mercury Verados with joystick piloting for outboards, C-deck throughout the transom, rear transom stereo remote, cockpit refrigerator and wet bar. So we move into the cockpit, take a look at the spacious head with freshwater sink, interior upgrades as well, full Simrad package, joystick piloting, VHF radio. We move forward to the bow. The bow seating on this boat is just absolutely amazing. With twin loungers, fold down armrest, windlass anchor, and bow filler cushion. If you'd like to see more of this boat or any of our other boats here at MarineMax Clearwater, you can reach me at 727-536-BOAT, or you can call me on my cell phone at 803-760-0609. This has been the 2018 290 Sun Deck Outboard. Thank you for watching.